This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, I'm audible now. Here only Ankita, Elna, Priyanka, Vasia. What about others? Hmm? Yeah, fine. Good. Okay, right. Okay, guys, let's start the session. So we are getting late today. Okay, I updated your profile, and from tomorrow, your score might get changed. Okay, right? So right now you have a score of 50, and two people are 50, Priyanka and Kita, right? So two people you have 50%, and rest of the marks will be get update from tomorrow, right? And you just take a look from tomorrow by evening 5 o'clock. Before that, they get happen, okay? And then, in case, okay, in case if you want to communicate with others and what other students what they are working with that, okay, how they can able to communicate in the sense, you just try to log in your account. Okay, I can able to make it log in one of your profile. Okay, one more percentage. Yeah. Okay, so and Pravalika, your account is got 50% right now. Okay, just take a look. What she done? I told to post some blog. Okay, right? So log in your account, and from that left hand side you can find DDR. Okay, so digital discussion room. So just click on this digital discussion room and click this link. Okay, so in case your account is not get evaluated, okay, the report is not happened, okay, you just put one post, okay, immediately it will take into that administrator profile, right? So like this, so kindly verify my activity reports, okay, like that. Just you can go to that block here, okay, so click on this blog post, okay, and give that title, okay, for example, act report activity or activity report. Just type, okay, that is what your title, and write something, okay, right? So still my report is not get evaluated, okay, fine. So that information you just take a part, so immediately it will take into that administrator profile, okay, your query will get sorted. Okay, guys, so now if you want to see that what other students they communicated in that group, okay, I can just scroll down, okay, here the request, okay, right? And then little you can able to go for here and project report, okay, so one of the student project report, and please evaluate, what is it, evaluate my project report. I'm waiting for the final viva report, okay, right? And kindly evaluate my viva report, okay, so that one small communications you can able to work over here, okay, fine. And you can able to get that what is that report from your mentor, okay, so he is a Srinivasan, he is a mentor assistant, okay, got it here, right? So some communications you can also work with your assistant from your company, okay, right? Okay, guys, so this you can able to use for long time, okay, your activities not get updated. Okay, right? So the task from my side, I updated. Okay, clear. And if your activity, once if it is uploaded by today, it takes for 2 days. Okay, so still it is not happening. You just come and put one block immediately from our admin side. We can understand that, and we will take into that your activity. We will trace, and immediately we will update your marks. Okay, fine. Right, all good. And guys, from yesterday, okay, we talked about that act report activity 7 and 8. Okay, got it clear? But still, I am not getting that your activity 7 and 8. Okay, fine. You just take a look and work on it. Okay, some only for few people I taken that report 7 and 8. So from don't make pending work from to what is that? So any activity report is pending, try to complete by today itself. Okay, fine. So let's go for the next task. Task number 3 in Power BI. Okay, so now task number 3. So how to present one simple records. Okay, guys. So now here I'll just show you one template. Okay, so this is one template. Okay, clear. So the template is, what is that? From the top of the dashboard, Bangalore and Chennai and Hyderabad. Okay, right? So this is one template. And from the bottom, you can able to see to that Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. This is one type of design. And from the right hand side, you can able to see that the product names, jeans, Levi's. Okay, I can make it into that focus mode. Okay, so here you can able to find that jeans Levi's, jeans denim, t-shirt, jeans Zara. Okay, right? So there's a item name. Item name is based on that item amount. Okay, right? So how to create this classic dashboard? Okay, particular, right? I want to create this classic dashboard in page 1, and in page 2 you can take a look. There is that one more design. Okay, so fruit and vegetable, and then from here I can able to see that USA and Germany, and then Sri Lanka and Russia. So what is that type? So already we created one product filter by using Excel macro VBA, right? So here simply you can able to do it. Okay, so not required that much of what is that, long procedures. Simple, we can able to work over here. Okay, in Power BI. So this is what you are task number 3. Okay, guys, right? And this is what your task number 3, and task number 4. This is what your task number 4. I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain how to work with this task number 3 and 4. Okay, and final 5th task is your complete dashboard. Okay, got it clear, right? So complete dashboard means it's a sales. So I placed the company logo over here and name of the sales dashboard, and here I can able to place that fruit and vegetable. Okay, if I click that vegetable, only that the country, okay, that product is exported, Nigeria, Indonesia, Russia, and then Mexico. I can able to get to know from here. So now I want to select one country. For example, if I select a country of Indonesia, from the right hand side, you just take a look. It is targeted that country of Indonesia. Okay, right? So now I'm going to click that country of Brazil. Okay, right? So your graph can able to change. That means your map, it will point out that Brazil. Okay, now I want to point out Bangladesh. It will point out. Okay, right? So this is our next level. Okay, right? So our upcoming sessions, we will take a look how to work with this type of such few things, and then the scroll. Okay, I can also make it filter. Okay, you can able to see that based on that scroll also, it's a slicing tool. Okay, I can understand that how to change that data. Okay, guys, right? So this is one simple design. Okay, without using any formula. in Power BI. Okay, right? We can also create that beautiful dashboards. Okay, fine. So here this is one dashboard and here is one dashboard. Fine. So you can add. Okay, you have a lot of time. We have some short time. So I'm using some few colors. You can apply background. You can apply what is that? Some few colors and work with this lot of visualizations. How much you can able to create that your what is that report? Okay, that will what will happen? Your profile will have the good looks. Okay, guys, is it clear? Shall I start that session? Yeah, fine. Okay. So now, just a second. Okay, so I'll just take a close this. And this dashboard also I'll close off. And guys, before starting that one few thing. And Harika, your task 1 and 2, okay, given reset, it is not perfect. And then, yeah, you completed that task 3, and then task number 5 and task number, what is it, 6. Okay, so 3 tasks is completed. You please take up your pre-test work. Okay, particular, right? So try to complete your pre-test by today. Fine. So it's so long time. Okay, keep on. I'm getting what is that? The call from your project mentor, right? So try to complete, and even what is that? Madeline Rose and Vaishnavi. So still you are, and I don't know why you not had completed that your pre-test. I'm not. I'm not getting the point. Madeline Rose, you already completed the 4 tasks, right? So please take up your exam first, right? So try to complete. You see to that others they are going into that next level. And Lakshita, so the only first task 1 is completed. And what about others? I'm not getting the point. And Meha, okay, so you not yet started any task, so please don't take up your exam. Okay, so first try to complete your task 1 and task 2, and then you can go and start your exam, right? And then Lakshmi, right? So you completed your task 1 and task 2, but still not yet started your pre-test. So guys, so make sure with that and try to complete, and within 4 to 5 sessions it's going to end your internship period. Okay, right? And almost just we have that 50 percentage. Once if you crossed 80, right? So that moment later we have to go for some project report work, and then Viva report work it contains. Okay, so see to that you have to work little faster. Okay, fine. So guys, so now in your in our WhatsApp group, I'll share one file. Okay, right? The file name is product. Okay, I'll share that. So this is a file. Okay, this same file. Okay, if you have the same file, also you can able to use it. No issues. So it's nothing like that. Already we done that. What is it? Macro, right? Product name. One few date I added. Okay, that means one sales date I added, and then category, and then amount, and then country. This is one file. This is product file. This we will use later. Okay, so right now this file is not required. going to share one dataset file in our group. Okay, you can download that file. That file name is dataset1. Okay, right. So use that file and go to that. The sheet name is data. Okay, so two sheets will be there in this data sheet. So one is data and item master. Okay, so two datas will be here. Okay, fine. So now the moment once if you download that, you can able to see that a lot of files, that means data will be there in this particular sheet. So it contains 4,500 plus records will be available in this sheet. Okay, got it. So it contains the data of online. What is it? This is on shop, this is offline. Okay, and online order is also available, and item names and category names and cost price of data and selling price and item quantity. And here we have that item amount and then the locations. Okay, right. So three different locations are available here. Okay, fine. And use this file and start your work. Okay, this is what your Power BI task number 3. Fine. So this file I'll share now. Okay, you just take a look. Guys, take a look. Check in that WhatsApp group. Okay, I sent the dataset file. Have you received? Have you received that file? Yeah, fine. Okay, good. Fine, fine, good, good. Okay, now here, so the task we can start up using that. What is that? Product and then data set. No, actually, I need to send that data set, not a product. Guys, not that file. 1 second. That we will use from tomorrow. Okay, no issues. You can use it. Okay, that doesn't matter. guys, now you can just take a look. Okay, I sent that file. The file name is dataset1, right? You can use this task number 3. So if you have that product file also, no issue, you can use that from tomorrow. Okay, so task number 3, you can target this dataset1. Is it received, right? Yeah, fine, right. You can use this file. That dataset1 is that your task number 3. Okay, fine, right, right. Okay, now I'll start this work. I can open this Power BI desktop. Okay, I'll close this reference. Okay, I'll maximize the screen. Just a second. Okay, guys. So same similar kind. We have that right hand side 3 sections filters and then visualizations and fields. Okay, so that we will see later. Okay, so first step. So import that file and click on this Excel workbook or click on this get data. Okay, fine. So I'm going to click on this Excel workbook and I'm entering into that the file, the dataset file. And I'm going to select the file. Okay, it is Microsoft Excel workbook. Okay, it is not CSV file format. It is Excel workbook. Click the file and click open button. Okay, so I told you to select that first data sheet. You can just take a look. All the data can be previewed here. I can take a look. And once if it is confirmed and click load button. Okay, so from that right hand side, you can able to take a look. The field sections will be there. It's taking some time. Okay, so from the right hand side, you can able to take a look. Category name, cost price, and item amount, item name, item quantity, location. Okay, order type and receipt number, sale date, selling price, tax amount. So all the columns is successfully is done. Okay, fine, no issue. So here I want to create my dashboard over here. Okay, fine, guys. So now I want to create one simple dashboard. So first step number 1, you can able to find that insert tab. Okay, so go to that insert tab here. Fine. So go to that insert tab, then you can able to find that buttons. Okay, right? Buttons will be there. Okay, what the shape you want to work, you can able to use, and text box will be there. Shapes are available, and image if you want to supposed to work, you can able to place that images. Now I'm going to click on this rectangle. Okay, so this is the shape. Once if I click the rectangle, I can expand from that right hand side. Okay, guys. So now after that, I can able to just go little top of that screen. Okay, I'll just move from my top of the dashboard. Okay, so you can able to customize from that left hand and right hand side. Okay, then I need to do some little format. Okay, so click on this format here and go to that shapes, and it is a rectangle, or whether you want any oval shape or anything, you can able to use it. I don't want that oval shape, let it be there as it is rectangle shape. If you want some rounded corners, guys, from the top of the menu, you just take a look. There's a roundest corners. Okay, I don't want that much of rounded corners. Little bit is enough. So I can able to apply, what is it, 10 pixel or something else. Fine, kind of. So I can work with 10 pixel over here. Sorry, 10 pixel enter button. Okay, fine. And then I can apply with some styles. I don't need that color. Okay, I want some more colors here. Okay, so that moment you can able to take a look. What are the colors you want, you can able to apply. Okay, fine. Or else, sir, I want some other different colors from internet. Is it possible to do? Okay, so just you type in your Google Chrome. I can type color code. Okay, fine. So click on this color codes here, HTML color codes. And here, if I want to use some color, okay, so this type, these are the frequently used color for the template. So I need this color. Okay, just double click and copy. Once if you click that moment only, you can able to get that hexadecimal code. Okay, fine. So I'm going to select this color. Just take a copy that hexadecimal code, and guys, from here I just went to that style. Okay, so if I click outside, I couldn't able to get it. Select this, but okay, the shape, then you can able to get that style, and click on this color and go to that more colors here. That hexadecimal code you can erase off and you can apply. That's it, fine. Okay, so here I can set that, what is the background style, fine. And still I want to do some more style over here. So fill I apply. I want to apply some shadow. So turn on this your shadow. Okay, that outer color, if you want more, you can do some animations for. So simple. Okay, and then you can increase that width to. So not that much. Few things is enough. Okay, and then glow. I can select the glow property. I can choose a color. Okay, guys. So one small presentations you can able to apply. Okay, it's up to yours. Okay, fine. And then here I can find the dashboard, right? And then there is a one more option. What is that? Text box. So I'll click on this text box here, and I'm going to type my air goods private limited. Okay, right? Some simple name I can go here, and then you just give your company name. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can give whatever the names you want. Okay, fine. I just given that air goods private limited, and I'm going to convert this color into white. Fine, no issue. I turn into that the color. I select that color and I'm going to click on this white. Okay, fine, no issue. And then I'll make it as center. Okay, so this I can make it little customize here, and then place the cursor over here, and then I can able to make drag. Okay, because of this white color, okay, that is what is happening. I can drag, I can able to apply it to that section. First I will apply here. Okay, so later I can the customize whatever I want. I select this name, I can make it a center, and then that name I can change it as 36. Okay, from here I'll take into that top. Okay, guys. So once if it is done, now what I'm going to do now, you can able to go to the format options here, and you can find that effects. Okay, turn off this background. So that moment that name can able to apply, and change that font color as white in color. Okay, first I need to select the color, right? So I need to select the color, and I given white. Okay, guys. Now you can take a look. Okay, I set at that heading. Okay, so these are the small formats. Okay, so from next class, say we have to work with some more features. Okay, so later we can able to talk about that presentations. Okay, guys. So now once if it is done, and get back to that the tool. Okay, got it clear. So here you can able to see that multi-row card. Okay, guys. So there is a multi-row card will be available. So that I can able to click on this multi-row card. This is one presentation, right? And then from here, what I want, and I'm going to select data and location. Okay, got it clear, right? So when I click that location, I'll get that 3 different locations here. Okay, one is Bangalore. Guys, you just take a look. One is Bangalore and Chennai, and then Hyderabad. Okay, so this I can able to make it customize. Okay, from the left hand side and right hand side, I can control it off. I'll just take a, okay, hold on this line. Okay, right, hold on this line, and you can drag and place into the top of the location. Yeah, successfully placed. Okay, so here I have that word Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad, right? Now I want to do one more thing. Okay, so small filter I want to do. What is a filter? So here you can able to take a look the locations in that filter sections. In locations I can select all, right? I don't want all. First I want Bangalore. So just click the tick mark. The Bangalore will be get selected. Okay, right? And once if it is done, then what about others? Okay, so we can do it one more. And here I can customize this Bangalore, right? And this part, Control C and Control V. I'll take and copy and paste. So this I'm going to implement it to the section. Okay, guys. Again, Control C, Control V. So one more I taken. So this I can able to make it from that right hand side. Sorry. Control C, Control V. Okay, guys. So here you can able to take a look. All the 3 people are Bangalore and Bangalore. Okay. So first person is Bangalore, and second again I'll go to that filter, right? And I'm going to click on this location, select Chennai, remove that Bangalore, and here from the Bangalore is available. From that moment you can uncheck that Bangalore and select Hyderabad. Okay, now you can able to take a look. I can find some 3 sections are there. Now I don't need filter. Okay, I'll get back to that location. Now select this Bangalore, and here I'll click on this format your visuals. Okay, so click on this format your visuals, and here there is that options can be called as cards, and then title I'll click bold, and I'm going to give that size can be called as 35. And then the background color and the font color, okay, right, I can click this font color as black, and little you can scroll down style, okay, where you want, whether you want that what is that, top, bottom, left, right side, okay, right. So which location you want, you can able to take a look. So right now let it be there as default. So I don't want top, I'll remove the top and I'll remove the left. Okay, and then the background color, guys. So just can scroll down the background color. I can change into that some other colors as per our requirement. Okay, right. So this I can make it little customizing that column. Okay, right. From this I said, what is it? Clearly it's done. Now same similar kind. I can go to that Chennai here. Same similar kind. Go to that color, and I'm going to apply the color as black. Fine, the black is applied, and then the font I can set up as 35, and then bold. Okay, again from the style I can able to make it little drop, what is it, drop down, and then background color I can give some other colors for the presentation. Okay, right, so I given as, what is that, background style, I'll apply as red, what was the color, okay, it's up to yours. Okay, fine, and then so thus I can control, I can able to make it work. And then again Hyderabad, same similar kind procedure. I'll click bold, it's 35 pixel, right? I can turn that color into that black, and then from the style I'll go little down. Background color I'll change into that some different ways, more colors. Okay, I'll give green. Fine. Okay, guys, this I can control it off. So now you can take a look. Okay, so I have Bangalore, Chennai, and then what is it, Hyderabad. Next, what I want, I want to present the data. Okay, and then one more options will be there. There is a options can be called as card. Okay, guys. So this is multi-row card is completed, and here you can able to find that one card options will be here. So this card you can able to make it center. Okay, right. So just make it center, or you can also make it from the right hand side, no issue. Okay, right. So I'm going to select this item amount. So the total item amount is 4M item amount. Okay, so this I told you, right, we can also what is that, work on this values. Okay, if I want thousands, and if I want in visuals, in call layout. Okay, right, so display unit is in auto, right, it is in decimal format. Category label, the color you can able to change into that black, and I'll increase that size as 20, little bold. Okay, guys, and then for the values also, here it is there in auto. I want in thousands, you can make it 1000. Okay, fine. And then once if it is done, and then from here I can select one more chart, stacked column chart. Okay, I'll click on this stacked column chart. I can make it little bigger. Okay, so here what I want to select this item name, and then I'm going to select this item amount. Okay, right, so automatically I got that information, and from here, right, so here item amount by item name, and this I can able to make it little top. Okay, guys, right? And then from the left hand side, I given that item name, and then from one more chart from this portion. Okay, and I'm going to work with what is that stack bar chart. Okay, I'll click on the stack bar chart. So what I want location. No, this is not a text box. This is, you can able to see that card. Okay, you need to select the card and you need to select that item amount. Automatically will be generated. Is it clear? It is not text box. Yeah, Priyanka. Okay, fine. I appreciate. Okay, this is this card. Okay, this is single card. So just click that and go with item amount. That amount will be generated. Okay, guys. And here I selected one more. This is for 100 percentage. Yeah, fine. 100 percentage stack bar chart. So what I'm going to select, I'm going to select location. Okay, along with that item amount. Here, what will happen? All the people will get into that Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. You can see to that. Okay, fine. So now, fine. Almost we done it. Now, I'm going to click only Chennai. Okay, fine. I'm going to click only Chennai. That moment, you see that how the interaction is happening. Okay, guys. So only from the top, you can see that only Chennai is available. Okay, item amount, how much of item amount is sold. Okay, now I want to check for Bangalore. Okay, so this is a Bangalore graph. Now I need to check for Hyderabad. If you click Hyderabad, interactions will be happening, right? Guys, this is just for presentations, and you can also work with what is that? Some background images. Okay, right? And you have to work with some this names and all. It is not clearly visible. Okay, right? So jeans, sleeves, and from the bottom, the names and all, it is not be very clear. Okay, so I want to still more presentations. So go to that your visualizations. Okay, guys. So select this chart, and from here I'm going to that visuals. Automatically by default data labels will be turned off. So I'm going to enable the data labels. Okay, guys, right? And then just make it little scroll down and expand that data labels. Okay, and you can find that values, make it little bold, and increase that font size too. Fine. And then I need to work with some x-axis and y-axis. X-axis. Okay, x-axis means bottom. And I need to make it little coloring. Okay, fine. You can set up, no issues for the presentation. Okay, I set that color. And you can also increase that font size too. Right? And then from the left hand side, okay, you can find that y-axis. Let's see who can create more creative dashboards. I can select bold, and here I given that as 12, and color I can able to make it as what is it, green or whatever the presentation is required. Okay, so instead of green, it's not clear, I can go with the same color. Fine, no issue. Okay, guys. And then same similar kind from here also, right? So you can able to make it background in general, in effects, in background. Okay, so I can select some color. Okay, if you want, you can set the color, or else not required. Fine. So if I turned off, no sir, I want to set background image. So that moment not required for that things. Okay, simply you can leave off. Right. And then now I selected that outside. Okay, right. Select that outside now once, guys. Okay, right. And then that moment you will get that options, format your report and wallpaper, and I'll browse that image. Right. and then from desktop final result I can select that based on that kind of that image. Okay, right? So I can select some previous images also. You can set some different image. Okay, right? And then I'll select this. I told you, right? You can turn off this background. Right? So I can go to that general effects. I'll turn off that background. So now I have an issues with the colors. And again, from here, I can able to turn off the colors over here. Right? The names, it is not be very clear. Right? I can go to that visuals or general. Okay, better I'll go with this visuals and that X label. Okay, right? I'll turn into white. Okay, guys. And then Y axis also you can able to turn into white. So I have to go for values. Bold. And then, sir, I want to change that color of. You can find that options for bars. So the default color is what is that? Blue. You can also change it off. You can set whatever that for that your presentations. You can go with that. What is that? Color presentation changes and no issues with. Okay, right? And I'll explain from next sessions what is meant by effects. Okay, right? And from here also we need to turn into that color as into white, and then general data labels, call out value, I'll turn into white. Okay, and from here for the title, when the title it is in black, I turn into white. Then I'll increase that font size as 20. Then the x-axis and what is it? The data labels. It's in a data labels, right? So thus I can able to make it drop down. Then go with that values, and then I'll select that color as white. Okay, that's it, guys. And this title also I need to change. Title color. And then bold, I'll give that 20 pixels. Right, all good. Guys, so this is what we completed as one complete dashboard using Power BI. So now everything is fine, right? So now Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Now I'm going to click Chennai. You can see to that animation score. Okay, right? And then now when I'm going to click Bangalore, so Bangalore's profile. When I'm going to click that Hyderabad, Hyderabad profile. Okay, right? Guys, is it clear, right? Any doubts? Any doubts over here? Guys, is it clear? Guys, check into the chat window box. Let me know. And same dashboard. Okay, some other different dashboard will work from tomorrow. Okay, so you have to target this task number 3. Okay, and make some, what is that, better design. Okay, right? So don't use what is that, some for mark wise. Okay, so this screens, okay, the images, everything I'm just marking into your profile. Okay, right? I'm uploading to our project mentor. So keep the point. It is not one simple design. Okay, right? So the designs, it has to be get work in your company. Fine. Okay, right. Okay, all good. Okay, guys, I'll end off the sessions today. Okay, right? And I'll share the video, and you can also start work with this your data set. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye.